Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Blainville local and long-distance movers near me. With the help of a cheap Blainville moving company, your local or long-distance move becomes easier. 3 Movers is the right team of professional movers for your needs. We know how to take the stress out of moving, no matter how far or how large the move. Find out how much easier your long-distance move can be when you choose from our options below: packing services, moving supplies, on-time move, and upfront pricing. You get the team of movers you need for your relocation with us. We know how to help you move one province over or all the way across the country. Whether you're relocating your family or your business, we can help. A Canada moving company is the right choice for your local move. With the right professional movers, it becomes easier to move even just down the road. No matter how far you need to go, moving is always stressful and a lot of work. 3 Movers offers the best team to help make your local move easier. We provide the services you need with plenty of help on moving day. Our team will save you time and energy on your move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Blainville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.